Hey third graders, hopefully you watched that awesome video on homophones. It was just a short one, so we're going to be doing that in our workbook today as well. So it says read the sentence, choose the missing word from the box, and write the word. So let's look at our first one. We're going to read through all of the different homophones that are up in the box right here. Okay, so here we go. First one is choose, like she chews something in her mouth, and then choose, like I'm going to choose to go there. Then I have mail, I think that one was in the video, meaning a boy, and then I have mail that you get in your mailbox. Then I have cent, like 1 cent, like a penny, and then I have sent something, if I sent something in the mail, and then I have heal, like if somebody's sick and needs to heal, and then I have heel, like the heel on your foot, and then I have a third one for that one, which is heal, like he'll be there tomorrow. It's a contraction for he will. So let's do our first one. So we have to pick the right homophone to go on the line. A stallion is a blank horse. A stallion is you maybe didn't know this, but a stallion is like a boy horse. So male, M-A-L-E. Okay, that might be one of the harder ones on the list. And then number 2, the poor man didn't have a blank on him. You're going to figure that one out. So you do the rest of that page and then meet me on page 156 when you're ready. All right, page 156. We are going to be talking about names for people and animals. We're going to start reading right here, and then we're going to highlight, or you can underline with your pencil. Nouns that name a particular person, pet, or family member are called proper nouns. Always begin a proper noun with a capital letter. Okay. Second thing, begin a family name or an initial in a name with a capital letter. So family name or initial. And the third thing is a family name begins with a capital letter only when it is used in place of a person's name. They're going to give us a couple of examples here. Is Grandpa coming with Tom? So notice that when the family name begins with a capital letter only when it's used in place of a person's name. So Grandpa. And then the second example, John F. Kennedy was a great man. So we have our capital letters on those. So we are going to look at the 2 nouns that are underlined already, and we're going to find the proper noun and write it correctly. There's going to be one that's underlined that shouldn't be underlined. So you need to find the proper noun. Proper nouns are important. Remember, they're either going to be names, or it also could be a family name. Also could be animals. Let's look at our first one. Gregorio's family went to visit the house of Mary J. Renson. So we have 2 choices, things that are underlined. House, that's not important. Okay, it's not any of the 3 things that we talked about up above. Okay, so you can kind of X through that. And the other choice was a name. Definitely need to capitalize that. Okay, so we're going to write it the correct way on the line. So Mary would be capitalized. You're going to need to go a little further than the line, at least I am. And then middle initials, remember, are also capitalized. And then her last name is also capitalized. Just like that. So pick the right one and then write it with a capital letter on the line. Okay? You guys should be great on the rest of those. And that looks good. Have an awesome day.